How to supercharge apple cider vinegar with turmeric, ginger, lemon and garlic. Who wants to catch a cold or the flu? Well, that's easy to answer: nobody. And the worst thing about these two ailments is that the infection can spread throughout the entire body and it will make your lives really difficult. You won't be able to finish your everyday tasks. Well, most of the pharmaceutical products can help you with these two ailments, but they will take a toll on your liver and your health. So why using the prescription medications against these two minor ailments when you can use all natural ingredients? These all natural ingredients will give you the same effect but without any bad side effects. In this video we are going to show you how to make the most powerful home remedy against the cold. This remedy is very easy and simple to make, and all you need is ingredients which you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet. Here's what you need to do. Cold busting apple fire cider. Ingredients: 1/2 cup ginger root, 1/2 cup horseradish root, 1/2 cup turmeric root, 1 medium red onion, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 lemon, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne powder, a 32 ounces bottle of raw organic apple cider vinegar. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to put all ingredients except apple cider vinegar in a food processor and pulse into small pieces, 1/8–1/4 of an inch. Then you need to put the chopped ingredients in a large glass jar or any other glass container with a lid. Now you need to fill the rest of the glass jar with vinegar. Make sure you store this mixture in the fridge for 1 month before use, shaking once a day, every day. And after 1 month you need to strain the mixture and pour the mixture into another clean glass jar. How to use it? If you are using this mixture to cure a cold, then you should consume 1 or 2 tablespoons of this home remedy 3 times every day, until the cold symptoms are all gone or you notice some improvements. But if your body is sensitive to spicy food, then you should consume just 1/2 or 1 tablespoon of this amazing home remedy 2 or 3 times every day, until you notice some improvements. About the ingredients. Apple cider vinegar. First, you should know that apple cider vinegar contains high amounts of potassium, which is very useful in expelling the phlegm. It's because this powerful ingredient thins the mucus, and when it's combined with the amino acids found in apple cider vinegar, potassium will boost your energy levels. This will make you less tired and your body can fight off the infection more efficiently. We can also mention that vinegar has powerful antiviral and antihistamine properties. You should also know that this ingredient might be hard on your stomach, but it will help you relieve congestion and sore throat. Ginger. Many different studies have discovered and showed the remarkable health properties of this root. This super healthy root is as effective as antibiotics when it comes to treating common infections. You should also know that ginger works great against 4 of the most common respiratory tract pathogens. Ginger will help you breathe easier and heal much faster. Turmeric, one of the healthiest spices in the world. This amazing spice will help you fight and prevent lung inflammation and relieve throat and sinuses infections. People also use this spice to make home remedies which are also very useful in expelling the mucus, improve proper digestion and to purify their blood. You've probably already heard about the best and most effective turmeric home remedy, the golden milk. Horseradish. Did you know that this ingredient has powerful health properties which are very useful in treating respiratory tract infections? When horseradish is fermented in this remedy, the root contains powerful probiotics that will boost your immune system and shorten the duration of your cold or flu. Onion. This vegetable has powerful anti-asthmatic and antibiotic properties which makes it very useful and helpful in curing and treating asthmatic patients of these two minor ailments. Onion also contains high amounts of polyphenols which prevent and cure infection in the human body by feeding the beneficial gut bacteria. Garlic, one of the healthiest foods on the planet. This powerful vegetable contains high amounts of allicin, a powerful compound with antibacterial and antiviral properties. A recent study has found that this powerful compound can decrease and reduce the severity and length of the common cold as well as prevent infection. Jalapeno and cayenne. These two ingredients contain high amounts of capsaicin, a powerful compound that thins the mucus, reduces lung congestion and fights the bacteria. These two ingredients are also very useful and beneficial in the detoxification process, because they heat the body internally and make you sweat more. Lemon. This super healthy fruit is loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system's natural ability to fight off infections in the body. Vitamin C is also very useful in reducing the amount and the mucus thickness. This home remedy is extremely powerful, so you should be extra careful, and if you are sensitive to spicy food, then you should consume just 1 tablespoon of this remedy 2 to 3 times per day. You will be amazed by the results. This is the ultimate cold busting remedy. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.